Oh, it's gonna be this magical, wonderful day. Yeah. Come with me on a magical trip. It's gonna be beautiful. No bad dreams here. Just happy thoughts, wonders beyond your imagination. Hear that? That's the sound of wonder. I wonder what it's like to be Santa Claus, delivering all those presents every Christmas. The Santa Claus goes to one house to deliver presents to himself. I wonder what it's like to be President of the United States of America. I would tell the aliens to do it, and I'd shake hands with them. That's for sure. I'll tell you what, buddy. Happy times are ahead. It sure as hell times when my eyes do squirt the water. The water comes out of my eyes and I don't feel too happy inside. Not this time, buddy. We're having a great old time. Thinking about puppies, rainbows, and all that fun stuff that makes all the girls happy. All the boys, they like to think about you girls. And girls are welcome to give me your phone number anytime. I'm just sitting here waiting by the phone. Single and available for all you ladies. This is Dick Voorhees saying, have a sexy, sexy day. Yeah, buddy.